Welcome back to Weekend Smile. So it's one thing to keep your body moving, but it's twice as nice when you look good while doing it. Amina Mackenzie, owner of Mina Fit JA, is here to show us how to stay fly while getting fit. And I should let you guys know, I'm also in my Mina Fit piece this morning, right? Ready for the gym, right? In my what? Is it I'm a girl?
I'm just a girl.
I'm just a girl collection. Hello, Amina.
Hello.
How are you doing?
I'm doing wonderful. Thank you for having me.
You're more than welcome. Why did you start Mina Fit?
Okay, so I started this brand in 2023 of January, I would say. And I've been going to the gym for at least 6 years now. So I know what the ins and outs of what it takes to have like a good leggings especially. And I've been going to the gym and I still have my first pair of leggings that I wear to the gym to this day, and it is horrible.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Like the color is gone, it's torn, it's just not in the best of conditions. But when I started this brand, you know, you have to get your samples and all of that to make sure that you're having the right quality to present to your customers. And that quality that I have, that I got from my first sample, I still have it to this day. And it's a black set, and I've washed it on so many occasions, and it still has that jet black look.
Yeah.
There is no wear and tear. The logo stamps are still on. Everything is still there and intact from 2 years ago.
Wow. Okay. So you actually wanted to, you wanted some pieces that were durable, but also stylish.
Definitely.
Okay. And, how would you say that these sets are different compared to, other gym sets?
All right. So there's this thing that I would like to use customers review to respond to this question, right? So there's this thing about the fabric. Once you hold it, once you feel it, it just different.
It's soft, bad.
And it's very thick. So you know that once you put it on, it gives you that feel. So it's not just about when you look on it, you say, it's just a regular gym wear. It's definitely not a regular gym wear.
Yeah.
So it hugs your body. It makes you feel like you're ready for your day. So even if you're not going to the gym and you are going to run an errand, everything, you can just know that once you go up on the road, somebody can stop you and ask you where you got that from.
You look sporty, stylish,
Definitely.
so you don't necessarily need to be going to the gym. But if I just feel like, I want to run a nice like a tracksuit,
you want to go and travel.
Comfort is key.
The supermarket, you're going to your child's school as a mom. You have this set here with the 3-piece that you know that, all right, you work out in the bra and the leggings, you put on your jacket for going to school.
Yeah, you can't wear the, this little skimpy to go to school. So you have something for everybody.
For everything.
Would you say that, you need a certain type of set when you're doing your leg day versus if you're just working like some shoulders and arms or some, chest and back kind of vibe?
Not quite. I think that's where durability comes in, because when you are doing explosive movements, you're doing a leg day or any form of weightlifting workout, you're definitely going to need materials that are able to push through all those activities with you and hold you up and while still giving you that confidence. You don't have to worry about your leggings are rolled down each time you stoop or your underwear printing out or none of that. You're not going to get any excessive camel toe prints, none of that. You're just going to feel perfect.
So, talk to us now about some of the styles that you have.
All right, so we have various collections. Since we've launched, we have at least 7 different collections.
Okay, this is one, or this is a part of one?
This is one of the newest of our collection called I'm Just a Girl.
I'm Just a Girl, pretty in pink.
Definitely. We recently launched this collection in August. And here we have Sculpted Collection 1. It consists of 2 different types of styles.
Okay,
so it has a long leggings and there's one with a biker edition.
Okay, so this is one.
Right.
This is the Sculpted Collection. All right, and it comes with a pair of long matching leggings. Right? And it's a nice razorback vibe, and we still have a nice style going on there around the back.
And the most important thing about this collection is where you get that broad waistband.
Wow.
So you know those girls that tell you that, okay, they have a little roll here, a little fat there. You see this band here. This is the star of the show,
which is at the top of the leggings. And I see a nice,
scrunch
at the back, which would give you some extra support there. But this broad waistband at the top is perfect and ideal. And I think that we have a model on set. What's my model's name?
Kedina.
What's her name?
Destiny.
Destiny. Okay, and Destiny, she's in what, the short set to it?
Yes, this is Kedina. Destiny's wearing the
Oh,
I'm Just a
okay.
Girl.
Oh, Destiny is actually wearing the I'm Just a Girl.
Yeah.
From the I'm Just a Girl collection, like myself. Yeah.
And Kedina is wearing the sculpted collection.
Okay, and then Kedina is wearing the sculpted collection, but this is actually
the
short.
micro set.
Okay, the micro set. It's like a tights, like a shorter tights, not the long leggings, but much shorter. And I must say that the colors are very nice and
Very
girly.
vibrant.
Very vibrant as well. You're sure to make a statement in the gym or wherever you go. And in addition to the purple, I see we also have the blue here, like a nice royal blue. Yeah. Nice royal blue. Okay. So we have the sculpted set, the I'm Just a Girl collection as well, the sculpted collection. What other pieces do we have here? Because I see we have just a jacket here.
All right, so we also provide single matching pieces. So if you need like a regular leggings, you need a regular jacket, and these are some of our tops. These are sweat wicking fabric, so you know when you're doing explosive workouts, you go hiking, you go jogging, you run on your treadmill or your Stairmaster. These tops that we have, they don't show sweat marks.
Okay, and we have them in a variety of colors. So that was the pink. This is actually the brown.
Yes, and we have it in black.
Do you have another collection? Do you have any other collections, or this is just another piece here, another jacket?
Another jacket.
Okay, all right. Okay, so it seems that you've touched on just about everything, but what about the skirt for the girlies?
So this is our upcoming collection that we will be launching.
So cute.
It's a tennis set. So for the girls that love their two-piece skirt sets, and this is also trending right now. So this is definitely something that the girls will love.
Okay, and you're gonna have it in a variety of colors as well. Okay, all right. And you know, we can mix and match while we go along. So if it is that I want to add my tennis skirt to you know, my jacket from my I'm Just a Girl collection, I can definitely do that as well.
Or any one of these jackets, or if a sweat weekend top, you can match it as well.
Oh, okay. I'm feeling ultra cute. All right, so for persons who are interested in any of these sets, any of these pieces, and they want to reach out to you, Amina, how can we find you?
Okay, so we have an Instagram platform, and we also have a website. So once you type in minafitja.co on anywhere at all, it definitely pops up. And we do delivery, we ship overseas, we ship locally as well.
All right, Amina, thank you so much for joining us. Thank you to our models as well. I mean, Mama is feeling fabulous and ready to get back in the gym.
As well.
I started and then I stopped. But I feel like with a set like this, I'm going to start back again Monday. I promise. All right, guys. Thanks for stopping by, Amina. That was Amina Mackenzie, owner of Mina Fit JA. We've got more in store right after this. Don't go anywhere.